Hi, welcome to my live, not so live, Mrs. Pita Benji here. When I tell you I've been waiting, no exaggeration. Fact is, I'm not in the US, and so it will take a little while longer for things to arrive. But this thing has been camping out at a duty office for almost a month. When I tell you I'm not amused, it's an understatement. But this couldn't be more clearer. I am what you have been waiting for. Yes. Let me open it and show you guys. Yes, I just cut it open because my address is in the back. But look at this beauty right here. This is what I have been waiting for. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Wow. Speechless. Have a great, great day.